Are you looking for an easy way to increase the subscriber count on your YouTube channel? Today, I'm going to show you how to optimize your channel's descriptions so that you not only draw more people in, but draw the right people in. Let's get right into it. First, why do you need to pay attention to your channel description? People are just going to watch your videos to see if they like your channel, right? Well, sometimes, sure. But your channel itself will also show up in YouTube searches, and you need to make sure that it's all set up to grab people's attention and make them want to watch your videos. And it's really not hard. So let's get into some of the best practices and a few mistakes that I've seen people make. When it comes to writing a good YouTube channel description, or a video description for that matter, you really have to focus on the beginning. You only have 1,000 characters to work with, but the first 125 characters are the most important, as that's the only part of your description that's actually going to show up in the search results. So make sure you put all the really juicy stuff right up front to really pull them in. When writing your description, the first thing you need to include is the value you give. What will this person get from watching your videos? Are you going to teach them something? Is it going to entertain them? Random people on YouTube care way less about what you do and more about how it will benefit them. So let them know. An absolute must when writing your channel description is to use keywords. These are words or phrases that people will use when searching on YouTube. Using the right keywords in your description means that your channel will show up whenever people search for topics in your niche. Keywords can be single words like video, makeup, or gaming, or full phrases like how to write a YouTube channel description. Now, if you don't already know your keywords, it will take a little bit of searching to narrow down which ones you want to target. But there are some great tools that can help you out. First, you can start just by going to the YouTube search bar. Start typing something and see what the auto-suggest recommends. All of these suggestions are based off of what people are actually searching for, so pay attention to the specific wording. Another great tool, and one we use all the time, is called TubeBuddy. It's a paid browser extension that allows you to see how many people are searching for a specific keyword, how much competition there is, aka how many other channels have made videos on this topic, and even suggest related keywords. You can also pull up any video and it will give you tons of information about the SEO used and the results. It's super useful when coming up with keywords or new topics for videos. If you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link in the description. The next thing you need to do with your description is let the viewer know exactly what to expect from your videos. What type of content do you make? Marketing, coaching, drama, whatever it is, spell it out clearly so that your potential audience knows exactly what they're getting into with your videos. If you say your channel is one thing, but your videos are entirely different or just don't deliver on the promise you made, people will immediately stop watching. It's a great idea to put your upload schedule in your channel description. Just a simple, we upload videos every Friday, will help your potential viewers know when to expect your content and make them more likely to watch your videos. Now, this one is super important, but a lot of people miss it. Use a CTA at the end of your description. Content creators, especially newer ones, often assume that people know to like and subscribe if they like your content, but oftentimes people just forget. I know I have been guilty multiple times of just not realizing that I have not yet subscribed to a channel I really like. And I'm a YouTube marketer. So just drop a little call to action at the end of your description. It could be to subscribe or to go join your email list, sign up for a freebie, or just check out your website. Whatever it is, just put something. Speaking of a call to action, before I get into the top mistakes I see people make with their YouTube descriptions, if you've learned anything so far, drop us a like, hit that subscribe button, and answer our question of the day in the comments. If you were to summarize your channel in just one sentence, what would it be? Now, let's talk about the top 2 mistakes I've seen people make when writing their channel descriptions. Number 1 is that they are super vague. You want your ideal listener to feel spoken to when they read your description, so be specific. Call out who you help, exactly how your channel helps them, exactly what types of videos you make. If you're too vague, then people are going to skip right over you and look for what feels like a better fit for them. And number 2, I way too often read YouTube channel descriptions that sound like they were written by a robot. There's no personality at all. They read somewhere that you need to put keywords in, which you absolutely do, but then that's all they put. So write your description like you're inviting a friend to watch your channel. Keep the language casual and friendly. Invite them in, and most importantly, be you. And with that, you are fully equipped to write an optimized and eye-catching description for your channel. Don't forget to answer our question of the day in the comments. I'm super curious to see what other types of content creators we have watching our videos. And as always, I hope this helps you keep your momentum going.